Alright, I'm gonna give this one more go because I would like a strong solution. I want to keep my other answer over here though, just so I can refer back to it, because I think there is some value in this code. But I'm gonna start with this. I think everything that I did here was like good. Just start a while true loop, just so that we keep going until finished. We can do while true because I should be able to just break out of this with return statements throughout my code. So, to start, I want my like exit condition. So if target is greater than or equal to matrix mid, actually I can just take the code from where I was before. This should be good. Okay. Then the way that I want to increment my mid row and my high and low row is I want to do if target is less than matrix mid row 0, I need to do mid row equals mid row plus low row / 2 high row equals mid row. So we basically just bring the high row down to the mid, and then we bring the mid down. Mid row equals mid row plus low row. Okay, cool. On to if mid row. Oh, that should be fine actually, I think. If target is greater than this, then we need to do low row equals mid row, and mid row equals mid row plus high row divided by 2. Let's give this a try. I don't expect this to work straight away. There's probably going to be something weird. Time limit exceeded. Okay. If mid row equals or is less than or equal to the low row, turn false, and then I probably want to do the same for if mid row is greater than or equal to high row, return false. Let's see. It's not good when it takes a long time, because that usually means that I'm just going to get time limit exceeded. Or wrong answer, I guess. Target 3. I think maybe this is meant to be an elif, not an if. Okay. So the target is less than mid row 0. How? So we're setting, okay, I think this is not meant to be checked after we change the mid row. Would imagine we might want to move this down here. I don't really think it matters where we leave that, but please, 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 please. Why does that keep happening? Please, 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 please. Time limit exceeded is not good. Target 2. Alright, so here mid row is going to, here it is going to be greater. Mid row is going to be moved here. It's going to be moved from to 2 on 2. So to 1. We're going to come down here, and target is going to be less than the mid row. High row becomes the mid row. I think we want an else return false here. Specifically in the case that that mid row equals high row. No, low row equals high row. Probably change that to up here while low row. This doesn't make sense to me. Maybe I need like an if low row equals mid row. Like at the bottom here. Maybe an if mid row equals I swear you can do this. How is that not? How is this not exiting? There's about 500 places that this could exit, that this should exit actually. Mid row, low row equals mid row. So it brings it up. If it's greater than, it sets the low row as equal to the mid row. Should be if it's changing boundaries to the same thing as what it was. Low underscore row underscore old equals low underscore row. Because it's greater than, right? So we set the new middle and we bring the old one up. Then it should be like if low underscore row underscore old equals low underscore row. It should return false, right? Because it can't be. I don't get it, man. I don't get why this is not working. Starts at 0. Target is greater. Low row equals mid row gets moved to that. Maybe I just do need the thing to see if it's revisiting. Visited equals this. If mid row in visited return false, visited dot append mid row. That's really strange. Why would this be false? while low row does not equal high row. I see. Starting at this, should then do 0, 1, 1//2. Oh no, is this not working now either? 0 plus 1//2, no. And it's just visiting 1. Starts here. And it should move up to 5 next, because it'll do 1 plus 2 is 3 on 2, floor divides to 1. Maybe I do just, where is it returning false? It's visiting the same thing twice. How is it visiting the same thing twice? Oh, finally! Oh, that's awesome. Okay, cool. Cool. Beats 90% is good. I don't care about memory. I do, but that's good. Oh, what a nightmare question to actually get a good answer on that isn't cheating. I am so happy that this is done.